Hello everyone, this is Ramna. You are watching me on Tech My Hat channel. So before starting this video, I want to share one thing that if the candidates are interested to share their experience of interview or internship or training or job, so anything of experience, if you want to share through our YouTube channel, you can share with us. So if you are interested, you can ping us on Tech My Hat Instagram page, or you can also mail us. So the mail ID is provided in the description link. And the candidates who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and you will get the videos about the placement assistance and interview experience and a lot more from our YouTube channel. The job update for this video is Atos Central. So here they provide a disclaimer that the candidate must and should provide a validate data for the registration form. So the data must be a honest one and a true one has to be given while registering the candidate. So when click on next, and you will move to this page. So this is about eligibility criteria, and in this eligibility criteria they will provide a PDF. So I have already downloaded this PDF. Let me show that. So this is the eligibility criteria PDF that they mentioned in the website. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so the 2021 full-time graduates only from recognized universities will be eligible. So coming to the courses and streams, so there will be BE, BTech, and coming the stream will be computer science and information technology, and MCA, computer application. So these are the courses and streams that will be eligible for this drive. Now coming to the aggregate percentage, minimum 60 percentage in 10th and intermediate, I mean SSC and HCS, SSC, and graduation and post graduation in all semesters. Coming to UG and PG in all semesters, so there must be minimum 60%. And coming to the backlog, so no current backlog. So while applying for this job, the candidate must not have any backlogs. Coming to the education breakdown, maximum 1 year break in education is allowed. So from 10th or to highest qualification. So only 1 year break will be allowed for this job. So coming to the drive location, so it will be online. So because of this code situation, so no candidates no need to go for centers to take the test. So the complete process of recruitment will be online. So the pre-request will be like good written and verbal English skills, flexible to work in any shift. So job location will be Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, and Tirunelveli. That's all about eligibility criteria. So when you go through the eligibility criteria, and if you want to apply for this job after seeing the eligibility criteria, then you can keep this checkbox that you are read the eligibility criteria, and then you can accept this. So it will be redirect to instructions page. So coming to the instruction page, they will provide a PDF, and I have downloaded this. Let me show the guidelines that they provided. So these are the guidelines. So while registration form, while filling the data in the registration form, so they have mentioned like all the text boxes have to be filled with capital letters. So for full name and everything which are in text, so you have to give in caps letters. And coming to the asterisk indicates the mandated field. So there will be star mark mentions that the field is mandatory to fill. You have to fill that without leaving. So if you didn't fill that, then the registration form will not go into submitted. So, by selecting the I agree checkbox in the declaration section, you are committing to be honest and fair in all your information provided in the registration form. So, while you checkbox clicking on it, and you may agree that your provided data will be true and honest. So, these are all things that they mentioned, and the form is compatible with the Google Chrome 50 and above, and Mozilla Firefox 50 and above, and Opera 11 and above, Safari 6 and above, and Internet Explorer 11 and above. So, that the versions of browsers that they support the registration form. And by clicking on the clear, you can the fields will be deleted, so that you know. So coming to the fields that they provide in the registration form will be like other number, prefix, first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, father's first name, mother's first name, mobile number, gender, email ID, status, marital status, and current address, state, city, pin code. So these are all mandatory fields while we are filling in the registration. So these are the guidelines that they provided, and let us check. So after reading these guidelines, you have to check box that you have to read the instruction carefully, and then have to click next. So moving to the registration form now. So after completing two steps, this is the registration form, and as they mentioned, there will be like other number, pawn details, and everything. So we have to give 12 digit other number, and let me give you some sample data for this. So after giving that, and you have to give PAN details, and prefix will be like Mr. or Mrs. So if you're boy, you can give Mr. And come with the first name. Yeah, so you have to give your first name, and you have, if you have middle name, you can give. Otherwise, you can remove. Not no need to fill this field, because they are not given mandatory field. Here you can see the first name and last name will be mandatory. So if you don't have middle name, you can leave that, and we have to fill this last name in the sense surname. So coming to the date of birth, so we have to give these details, and then you will have a father name of a father's first name. Now it's not a last name, so remember last name will be your surname, so that's why you have to maintain first name of our fathers and mothers. And coming to the mobile number, and re-enter, you have to re-enter the same mobile number, and then gender, and email id. So coming to the email id, you have to verify email id. So after giving email id, and you have to click verify email, then you have to get otp or something else to verify your email. So after verifying your email, and you have to give marital status like single or married, and mother tongue. Coming to mother tongue, they have provided all the languages in India, and so current address, and city, state, and everything. So legend in the sense like if you are Andhra Pradesh, it will be like AP, or if you're Tamil Nadu, it will be like TN something else, and pin code. So if your current address is as same as permanent address, then no need to give again the permanent address. So simply click like yes or no. If it is yes, then you will copy the current address as the same as permanent address. So this will be filled with the current address as permanent. So after filling all this data, and you have to click next, and then you will successfully going to submit your registration form. So after completing the registration, you will get a mail regarding a test, and based on the eligibility criteria that they mentioned. So and after this form, you will get like academic details, and like how much percentage, all those things you have to mention in the in upcoming form. So I mean I'm not going to fill the wrong data. So this is the final step they have to I have to show you. So after that, you will get like academic details, you have to fill it, and after that you will get based on the eligibility criteria that they mentioned. So based on the data you have given the registration form, they will filter those candidates, and they will send the job related test links to your mail. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we will post the latest job updates frequently. And you please click the bell icon, you will get a notifications of our job updates videos. Thank you guys.